Find the action file in the folder. It's the one with the ATN extension. In this folder, we've got 3 styles to choose from, so let's try one out. If Action Palette is not visible, go to Windows tab and check it from the list. Action Palette is now visible. Start by loading the action file into the Actions panel in Photoshop. Drag and drop the file into your Action Palette. Now, you see it get listed. Okay, step 1. Create a starter template. This is where we're going to place our design in before converting it to 3D.
Highlight the starter template action step.
Hit play. Starter template has been created. Now you can place your artwork design into the template. At this point, you can either place your own design or use our provided perfect fit template. Drag and drop the provided PSD template into the folder tab area. This will open it in a separate workspace, allowing you to edit the template as you like. Let us do some edits. Once complete, we can now convert the artwork into 3D. Highlight the Render 3D action step and play. Complete! You can also hide the white background layer to turn your image transparent. You may now save the image. Alright, that's it for Action 1. We've got 2 more left, so let's run another one using the same template. This time, let us pick action number 3. Drag and drop the file. Choose the template to render. And run Render 3D step. Complete! Let's mess around with the layers a bit and give the image some final tweaks before saving. As you can see, all the layers from the action are still intact, so we can adjust them however we like. You may now save the image. Go to File tab, select Export, then Save for Web. For the last action, I will let you render it yourself. Remember, just choose the template and play Render 3D step. See ya in the next tutorial.